I'm Nisha here, your English teacher from Mangla Vidya Mandira. So children, in the previous class we have learnt about a story from Kerala that is about wonderful waste. Okay, that was a Kerala story, Kerala tale. Now today through this video I am going to start with a new lesson. So the name of the lesson is bamboo curry. So can you see in the image, children? There are few pictures what I have shown of bamboo tree. Okay, can you see in the picture image? The image is about bamboo tree. Okay, so shall we start with the lesson? So the name of the lesson is bamboo curry. Now here the story is about Santal community which is named as a Santal. Actually that Santal are the large community, are considered as the largest community in India, who is primarily living in the states of Jharkhand, that is something near West Bengal also, and they speak a different language, that is a Munda language they speak. The way how children we speak Kannada in Karnataka, in the same way this Santal community will speak Munda language, and they have a habit of storytelling. Okay, like it is a part of this tradition, like every night they will tell stories about some different kind of stories. They have a storytelling session also in their family. So it is considered as a part of their tradition. So this bamboo curry is taken from the Santal community. So children, let's start with the lesson. The very first thing what we can see is, have you ever eaten a dish made of bamboo? So now here the first line is describing that have you ever eaten, means have you ever ate a dish which is made up of bamboo. So now basically bamboo nobody eats, like it's a stick, so nobody eats that. So now the writer is asking, have you ever eaten a dish, like have you ever tasted a dish which is made up of bamboo. Let's read this picture story and find out which part of bamboo can be cooked and eaten. So now children, there is some part of the bamboo which can be cooked, which you can make a curry from that and you can eat as well. So now through this story we are going to learn, we are going to understand that which is that part that we can use to make a curry. Okay, so the very first one, can you see the picture? One man is sitting and one lady is cooking something, right? The very first picture shows that. Now we'll start with the first point. One day the mother-in-law of Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. Now there was a man, okay, he is a bridegroom, he is a son-in-law. He has went to his mother-in-law's house, and what happened, that mother-in-law, she has cooked a special dish which is made up of, she has made a special dish for him when he visited her. Okay, when he visited to her house, she has treated him very nicely by serving him a special dish. Number 2, this curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Now when the son-in-law had that curry, he found it very delicious. He found it very tasty. So he asked his mother-in-law, oh, this curry is very tasty. This curry is very delicious. By what you have made it? He was checking with his mother-in-law. So the mother-in-law, what she did? She just pointed at the bamboo door. Number 3. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. Now he liked the taste of that bamboo curry. Okay, so since his mother-in-law has pointed out the bamboo door, now he was remembering that in my place, like in my village, there is no bamboo. So what I should do? Like he liked the taste, so that thought is going in his mind before leaving the house. Number 4, so he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him left for his home. Now meanwhile he thought, since there is no bamboo in my village, so what should I do? Should I remove this door? So finally what he did, he just got an idea. He removed the door and carried it with him and he left for his house. So on reaching his village, he told his wife, make curry with this bamboo door. So the moment he reached his home, what he did, he just showed the bamboo door and he asked his wife, see, now I got a bamboo door, you have to make a bamboo curry from this bamboo door. Number 6, she was shocked. How can I make a curry out of a bamboo door? Now she was shocked because with door nobody can cook, right? Nobody can make a curry. So she was asking him, she was shocked and she was asking him, how can I make a curry out of a bamboo door? Number 7, come, I will help you by chopping up the bamboo, he said. Now he told me, hey, don't worry, so I will also help you. Okay, he just showed the bamboo door and said, you only don't cook, I will also help you in chopping the bamboo tree, bamboo door. Okay, it was not a tree also, it was a bamboo entire door. He has got it. Number 8, his wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, it's too hard to eat, you don't know how to cook. Now what happened, after chopping the small pieces of bamboo, she started cooking from it. She keeps on boiling it again and again, and later on when she served to her husband, and when he tasted it, he found, hey, it is too hard, how can I eat this, because he was unable to chew it properly. So he told, it's not tasty, it is very hard. And he finally told, you don't know how to cook the food, you don't know how to cook the curry. Number 9, his wife added more water and boiled it again and boiled it. It is still too hard, I can't eat it. Now when he said like that, what his wife did, again she put it in the pot and she started boiling it one more time, like adding more water. She keep on boiling and boiling because it is too hard. Again when she served to her husband, he said, no, it is too hard, I can't eat it. Okay. Number 10, the in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. Foolishness means stupidity. The mother-in-law said, didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door? Okay, so that evening what happened? His parent, that girl's parent had come to his house, that young couple's house, the parent had come that evening. And when the girl narrated it, like she has cooked a bamboo curry and it is too hard, he was not able to eat it, both the father and mother, like the mother-in-law started laughing. Okay, the mother-in-law started laughing and she told, like, it is the bamboo shoot by which she has made the curry, it is not the bamboo door. Okay, so they all started about knowing about the foolishness of the son-in-law. So this is the story about bamboo curry. Now children, what is bamboo shoot? I will just explain you. When you see that bamboo, there is a soft part inside the bamboo. Okay, inside the bamboo, some white color soft part you will see. You can chop it into small little piece, and from that you can make a curry, bamboo curry masala. Even bamboo shoot, like bamboo shoot fry also you can make from there. Especially in the Coorg. In the Coorg, people used to have this masala curries, the bamboo shoot masala curry or bamboo shoot, what we call a normal recipe, like a normal curry also. You can find that Coorg people used to like it and they used to cook this curry more. So now children, we are through with this lesson. Let's have an exercise. Complete the sentences meaningfully. The bridegroom left with the door of his in-laws house because it was made up of what? It was made up of what? Bamboo, and there was no bamboo in his village. Second one, the bridegroom was unable to have bamboo curry in the end because it was very hard to eat. So these are the two sentences which we have to complete with a meaningful words. Next one, word hunt. Filling the blanks with the words from the story. The number 1, the bridegroom went to visit whose house the bridegroom has went? Mother-in-law's house. Second one, the mother-in-law pointed the bamboo door. Where the mother-in-law pointed? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Next one, he stayed the night in his in-laws. Next one, he carried the bamboo door back with him. What he carried? He carried the entire bamboo door and he left for the village. Next one, the curry was made of bamboo shoot. By which the curry was made, children? The curry was not made of bamboo tree. It was basically made from the bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoot means a soft part inside the bamboo. So we are through with the exercise also, children. If you have any doubt, please post it in the group. Next session we'll start with the unit 2. So till now, thank you children.